Looking for a treadmill that fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle? Meet the FUNMILY treadmill, built for anyone. Up to 300 pounds. And designed to make fitness effortless and enjoyable. Features you'll love: Bluetooth-enabled app, Connect your device for a fully interactive workout experience. LED display and multifunction panel, track your speed, distance, time, calories burned, and heart rate, all at a glance. Heart rate monitoring, stay in your target zone and maximize every workout. Foldable design, save space when you're done. The compact foldable feature makes it perfect for any room or home office. Easy setup, plug it in, press the power button, and you're ready to go. Emergency stop button, safety first. The emergency power button is easy to access and stops the treadmill instantly. High-speed capability, with speeds exceeding 7.0 miles per hour. This treadmill supports light jogging, intense running, and everything in between. Smooth performance, engineered for quiet and smooth operation. It's perfect for multitasking, whether you're catching up on office work, school assignments, or your favorite shows. Why wait for the gym? With the FUNMILY treadmill, you can enjoy a premium workout experience from the comfort of your home. Get fit, stay productive, and make every day your best. The FUNMILY treadmill brings fun to your fitness routine by combining convenience, versatility, and smart features that make workouts enjoyable. Interactive Bluetooth app, sync your favorite fitness apps or playlists, turning your workout into an exciting experience with music, guided runs, or virtual trails. Engaging LED display, track your progress in real time, watch your speed, distance, and calories improve with every session. Customizable workouts, adjust speeds and settings to match your goals.